Plastic! Foil! Ang bed ah.
Oh, this color.
Catchy. This one is nice.
This one nicer.
No, I prefer the plain black.
This is the plain black one.
This one, the plain black.
I want this.
Hi guys, pumunta kami ngayon ng NTUC, mag-grocery kami. Nakalakas kami makain. Wala nang laman yung ref namin. Yun. Ayun si Inday, nasa likuran. So, malapit lang naman yung NTUC dito sa amin. Yung walking distance sa baba lang. So, maya ulit. Yan. Yan ang NTUC dito, pababa. I'm going to get this kasi may points ako. Ito siya. May points kasi ako $10 points plus $19. Ayan. Kuha ako nito. Ay, tasty. Three, 4, 265. Excuse. Daming tapo ngayon. I'm going to get this. Okay. Ibisahan ko. Get your mushroom, darling. Don't hit. Oh, here. Yeah.
How many?
4 na. You have stock. Wala na kaming Colgate. So, ang gusto kasi niya rin face. Ayaw niya ng Dochel. Ayaw niya. So, ito yung kukunin ko. Dalawa yung laman nito sa loob. $6.95. Yan. Ano pa ba? Shampoo. Ito yata sa kabila yung shampoo. Oo nga dito. Ito yung shampoo. Ito lang kanina ko kayo yung shampoo. Kung ano yung gusto yung shampoo. Day! She say she going take popcorn chicken. Ang kinuha naman niya, gacha. You choose the shampoo what you want. These are not the Sunsilk. Don't have my Mirinda. You want Coke, ah? I'll take Coke. No, Sprite. I want Sprite. Take Sprite. Put the one there.
We're not supposed to mix chemical with them.
What is this name? Huh. Kinder Bueno. Today is what date? 18 ah. Oh my God, last day. Lucky. Overload ng Nutella. Yan. Oh my God. Tara na, tara na. Ito, masarap to. Natural. Inday.
Pasta.
Paste! You help me. You push this. Hey, don't say bad words, bitch. Careful, ah.
You push lah.
Can I see your face if you're angry? You call the one
I'm
angry,
gonna
ah?
call. No, yeah, I did. Alamak, I cannot take video.
Just push lah, a bit only, ah.
It's very annoying
Why you laughing? Ayun, sa ano kami, sa labas kami magdi-dinner. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan. Pero ayan, naka-ano lang ako, t-shirt and short. And yan, lugay ng buhok, ang init. Tapos ang dilim ng ilaw namin dito. Kailangan ng palitan. Yung phone ko malolobat na. Ayan, yan. Tapos, ewan ko kung saan kami pupunta pagkatapos mag-dinner. So, yun. Maya ulit.